welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Jaliza. Once again, this is the packaging of the day. Once I open the package, I see the wig, obviously, which we're gonna get into. I also got this bag branded Jaliza, which is great for storage. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got this like envelope with just, you know, information on the inside, you know, the return slip if you need to return it, you know, how to care for your wig and all that good stuff. And I got this Jaliza elastic headband and this. So that's everything inside the envelope. So let's get into today's wig. Every time Jaliza sends a wig, I'm always stunned. I am so happy for today's wig, guys. Look at this. So this is their salon level knotless LOCS HD full lace 24 inches 80 strands braided wig. No, it's a long title, but it's very descriptive. Does tell you exactly what we're working with. These locks are so soft and flexible. They're not stiff, they're soft. I love that. And I chose honey blonde for the color today. This is 22 inches, as I said, and it is gorgeous. Like, comes pre-cut and everything. It looks so believable. Like, honestly, I've never had a wig like this, so I'm so happy to try this out. I'm so happy to go ahead and install this. Honestly, I really am. This is how it looks. It's a full lace wig, by the way. Full lace wigs, and as I say, 80 strands. It's a medium cap. It has these combs in the back, okay, adjustable straps as well, and it does tell you that it's a medium cap. Have an adjustable strap inside, which you can make tighter if you want, and two combs in the front. Oh my gosh, the construction is so nice, and it's neat. Like, the parting is neat. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this. Dang, you know what, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm excited to see how this turns out. That's how it's looking. Oh my gosh, these locks are so flexible. I love that they are not stiff. The cap is nice and flat as usual. Everything looks really, see, this is how it looks once I turn it on, by the way. Let's talk about the lace and how it just looks so good, right? I just need to cut off that little portion that has absolutely no hair, but like, the wig looks so good. So I'm gonna do a nice glueless install. This is nice and snugged on my head, by the way, like really nice and snugged. So I'm gonna go ahead, just get some of this out the way and start on installing it. I know you guys will love this if you're looking for a very realistic like LOCS wig. And I kind of try to cut this jagged. I don't like to cut in a complete straight line, and you will see that even when you get these pre-cut wigs, they're never cut like in a straight line. It's usually like a zigzag pattern. This is how it looks once all the excess lace is off. So all I'm gonna do is get my melting spray, get my PS-LOCS melting spray, and get this nice and secured. Go ahead and get my Jaliza elastic headband, and I'll just get that nice and secure and allow the edges to dry down. And that's all. This literally doesn't take that long either. I give it like 5 to 8 minutes to dry down, and then we could proceed to styling this gorgeous wig. So that looks amazing, very realistic with the edges. Yeah, definitely giving that Ital vibe. So, you know, let's get it in the center part and stuff. Like, how could you not love? How could you not love this? It's so nice and flexy. You know, we're gonna do like a few styles in this. We have to. I'm getting the feeling I wanna do something like to the back. You know, I always have to. Let me see what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna take some on this side and I'm gonna just do like a twist. Should I? Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna do like a twist on both sides. Super easy styles. This is definitely like a nice little beginner friendly install as well. Like, I can't get over how realistic this looks. Like, huh? Oh my gosh. All right, yeah, and then we bring it to the back. Just tie them up. Literally tie them. And I create like the cutest knot. And that's hairstyle number 1. That is hairstyle number 1. Like, oh my gosh, too sleek. It's nice and flat. It's giving scalp. Yes. That's hairstyle number 1, guys. Easy peasy. I took that style down. Now we're going into style number 2. I just put this around my head since I'm gonna be doing, like, you know, updos now, just to keep it in place and secure. And mind you, if you want to go ahead and glue this down, by all means do so. Like, you would have everybody fooled. Actually, this is so realistic. So like, go ahead, have a time. But if you want to do glueless, you totally can. Okay, so I'm doing 2, like, you know, 2 buns. So I'm just wrapping it around, and I just want it to be kind of carefree looking with the ends. I don't use any scrunchie for this. I just use the hair itself. And I leave out a few pieces just so I can use those to like secure the bun in place. And these buns are cousins, guys, okay? They are cousins. They're definitely not siblings. Again, not doing too much with the edges, just making it look very nice and carefree. This is so like, oh my god. It's giving like, you know, you're going to one of those poetry events. Yeah, I love this. I love this. And it's just that the lace is lacing. Okay, the lace is lacing. This is so different. This is so different. Let me know what you think. The final style I want to do, you could literally just keep on playing around with this, or should I just do my regular half up, half down for the third style? Because I do love a good half up, half down, but like with the mid portion. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So take a portion and I'm just gonna do the same thing. And just like that, voila. Okay then. Okay then, yeah. And that's the final style. You could, you know, play around with it. If you want it to be like completely tucked, like all the strands, then you go ahead and tuck them away. I don't want too much out. So yeah, that looks perfect. Perfect. That's it for style number 3. That is it for the final look, guys. I really hope you like this wig is very convenient. I can definitely tell you that. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend it. Super realistic, super realistic. Like what more could you ask for? And it's not heavy, you know, it's really not heavy. It's what's expected. Like, it's very realistic, very believable. Jaliza, you do it again. Love it. So if you're looking for the perfect LOCS wig, yeah, go ahead and get you one of these. The link to it is in my description box. You know the vibes. All the specifications are listed. Any discount code I may have, any deal, any sale going on, that will be listed as well. That's it for today. Very easy, realistic wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go wig up on yourself. Bye.